Hi everybody, welcome to VICKYVILLE. I have a really fun Christmas swap that I wanted to share with you. This is going on my 3rd year of me participating in this swap with my friend Martha, and she hosts it and we always have so much fun. And our theme this year was Alice in Wonderland. And so I knew that I had in my collection from like one of his very first drops was Scrappy Boy, and it was this collection, an Alice in Wonderland collection. So I was like, oh, cool, I'm gonna use that. And so I had these stamps. And then what's so funny, I was looking for the dies, and I'm like, I know I had got the dies for this as well. And I didn't realize that I had taped them to the back. So I fussy cut everything like a nerd, and I didn't even see that. But yeah, I used this Alice, and then I'll show you what else I used. But this is a really cute collection. And then I did use the paper that coordinates with it called Wonderland, and I used these papers right here at the very top to decorate it. And let me see, then I did use the Sizzix, because you know Alice in Wonderland is kind of has like a really cool tea theme. So I did use this teacup from Sizzix, the teacup, and this is the die that I use. And it's supposed to be an ornament. Now, this is like Martha's third time that I've participated in it. The first year was The Nightmare Before Christmas. Then last year was Anything Pink. And this year is Alice. And so I was like, okay, I want to use and not, have to go purchase a bunch of stuff. So let me see what I could find in my stash. And so I thought this was, this was a good die. I've had it forever. I love this die because it's so cute. I love, anything tea. And then I love that I had this whole collection. I did use these nesting dies from Sizzix as well. And let me go ahead and share with you what I created. So here it is. This is the ornament. See, like this is the paper from Scrappy Boy, and this is the hanging element because everything has to hang. Then you could see that there's the teacup, and I just added some like kind of I was trying to figure out what to use, so I had bought this from Michael's to stage like my cards, and I'm like, oh, that's so cute because it has like glitter on it. And then I had these snowflakes from my stash, and then these red snowflakes as well. And then I just colored Alice, and right here I had used this where is it at? Where is that pen? This snow pen right here, snow marker from Marvy Cheetah, and it kind of created this snow effect right here. When you want to do it, you just put the pen and then you get your hot glue gun, and it kind of makes it, come alive. And then the dots behind. I'm kind of sad because you can't really see the paper that I used, and I'll show you. This is the white pen that I used to create the dots in the background. But you can't really see. It kind of reminds me of the Mackenzie Child print, And it was this paper right here. And I wish that I would have put the heart, because it's like 2 hearts. I wish I would have kind of put it higher or something so that you could see. I didn't realize that I was going to use so much in front of it. So, but it is there. But yeah, there is my little project that I made for everybody. And we had to make 12 of them. And so I made them, and I think they're fun and cute. And I love the theme, Alice. And I love this stamp set from Scrappy Boy. And so, yeah. So that is the ornament that I created. And I hope that they enjoy it. See, there's the paper. There's I inked the edges too of the Mackenzie Child black and white kind of. But yeah. Oh, and then on the back, you're supposed to put, like, you know, just who made it. So I put Made with Love, VICKYVILLE. And there it is. Super fun. Okay, so then we also have to package it up. And I was like, okay, Vicky, get creative. Use what you have. You're doing so good right now. Use what you have. And so I decided that I would stamp. I had a bunch of these brown paper bags that I had bought because I'm going to do something with it for Christmas. And so I stamped the images from the stamp sets from Scrappy Boy. And then I just stamped like the little red mushroom just to give it that, you know. So I stamped all 12 bags like that. Okay. I put a little snow at the bottom just to give it some little texture. And then I used this ribbon from my stash. I love and it's wire, so you can make a really nice bow. And this is how I wrapped them. Like that. So I think that is a fun presentation. Like that. Oopsie. So I had a lot of fun making them. We're going to meet up tomorrow and we're going to exchange them. So for sure, I will have a video sharing with you everybody else's projects as well. And then, yeah, so I had a lot of fun. I always have a fun. This is the 3rd year that I've participated in Martha's Swap. And I hope she continues to do it because I do have a lot of fun. It is a lot of work. And it's worth the, you know, it's worth it though. So there it is. See if I can get them there. Ooh. So they're fun. So yay. All right, guys. Just wanted to share that with you really fast. And share with you, I've kind of been quiet because I've been working on these this week. So I will get back with you probably next week and share with you what I got. So have a good day. Thank you for being here. Remember, your girl VICKYVILLE loves you, and keep it crafty.